father is a relationship, meaning it's a relationship between an individual, a man, and kids that are his daughters and his sons. As much as you have a relationship of a husband and wife, which is a relationship of marriage. So for a father, what makes a father is care, to make sure that the relationship between the father and the offspring, the daughters and sons, is looked after. We have many cases of people having kids. They may not even have seen them ever. They don't even bother to see them, and I would characterize that as lack of care. And therefore, for me, it's very important for the father to feel having responsibility to care and look after the children that he has fathered. Therefore, I underline the word care and responsibility as very important to a father in relationship to the offspring. These guys, as you know, they are quadruplets. They were born in 1998. You can see they are quite healthy. When they were born, it was not an easy thing. Of course, both myself and my wife were working, and we had to split our responsibilities at work and at home to look after them, especially during the night when they need to be fed, when they need to be looked after, and to prepare them in every respect. And I must say the most difficult stage came 3 years after they were born. My wife, their mother, went for further studies. She went to study medicine in Tanzania, and she stayed there for a good 5 years. I had 5 years to look after them as a father, and it was really during that stage when I did not have to rely on my wife, because when my wife was there, I had to rely on her, but when she was not there, I had to rely on myself to make sure that the kids taken care of. It was not an easy stage, and it was during that process they started schooling, starting with a creche, with a kindergarten, and eventually with a primary school. And I had also to combine that with my heavy responsibility at work. I was working in government at that time, and my work involved a lot of traveling outside the country. It was not very easy to combine those heavy duty responsibilities.